loves, this is Swati Verma. Welcome to my Instagram. So I have to get ready for my office and thought of sharing the same look with you so you can also get ready with me in 10 minutes. So let's not waste the time, let's get ready because I have very less time. Just tied my hair so I don't really spoil my hair while doing the makeup, and this is the mist that I'm going to use to hydrate my face. It's from Farsali. So now I'm going to start with the primer and the foundation. So let's start with the primer. This one is a Smooth and Protect primer from NARS. And the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 255. You see, I've used a very less quantity and gonna build it up now a little more on the forehead and the chin area, and don't forget your neck. So I'm done with the foundation and now I'm going to start with the concealer. I'm using the concealer from Color FX in the shade medium 2. So under the eyes, and this concealer is actually really good if you're doing light coverage. You don't really need to correct anything. It'll not oxidize. You don't really get that much time for the office makeup, so just go for it. And now I'm just gonna blend it. The same concealer on top of my eyelids because I have literally no time for anything else. Not even taking the more product, I'm just using the same beauty blender. So whatever extra product is there, it's gonna come on the eyelids. Now the next thing after the foundation and the concealer is the blotting powder, and I'm gonna use this blotting powder from Fenty Beauty all over to make it matte, to give a really nice matte finish. And under eyes, to make it a little more brighter, I'm going to use this powder, the brightening powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Time for a quick contour, and I'm using this one from Benefit Cosmetics. It's called HOOLA. And this is the caramel version. It's a new collection. On the eyes also, just to give a nice definition to the eyes. And I believe, whenever you add the bronzer to your face, it just adds more freshness. Looks more fresh. And for the highlighter, this one is from Dior, Backstage collection. Using the highlighter here. A little bit on the chin also, to give a popped out look. And here, because we have naturally also a little bit low here. Always don't forget it. And I'm using the color which is more like glitter stroke pink gold, not the gold. So if you see, it's not the gold color, it's a very nice pinkish gold, which looks really beautiful. Now I have a peach blush here, which is a little shiny. This is a blush from Balm Cosmetics, and if you've seen my older videos, you must be knowing that I'm obsessed with this blush. And it's in the shade In Full Swing. Always like to apply the blush like this. Okay, now guys, just a couple of things left, eyebrows and the lips. Now I'm going to use this brow pencil from Fenty Beauty in the shade Black Brown, and it has a brush at the back, so if you want to just brush it up, you can do that also. And so yes, I'm going to now make my eyebrows a little more thick. Same on the other side. And now guys, since the eyebrows are done, I'm gonna give you a quick smudged liner tip. So this is a liner from Tarte. If you see, it is a dual liner, and this side is a pencil. It's more like a crayon. And I'm just gonna make a line here, and I'm gonna use my other pencil which has a smudger. You get a lot of pencils in so many brands which has a smudger, so use something like that. Now guys, just gonna do my lips and maybe mascara. I usually put lashes also, but I don't think you'll get time to put the lashes on. So I'm using this lip pencil from MAC in the shade Spice. Yeah, the shade Spice. What I'm gonna do is just gonna give a little bit of sheen in between. This is number 17, the Velvet Rouge edition from BOURJOIS. And if you just, spoil it a little bit around the end. And now it's the time for the mascara, the last thing. And I'm done with the makeup, just straightening my hair a little bit, though I have naturally straight hair, but whenever I wash my hair it just gets a little wavy from the front. So this straightener is from Tamanna. I love her products. It's from Bombay Hair, the Tamanna collection. And this one is the last thing that I use, my long-lasting makeup fixer. And if you want to do some changes, I keep it in my bag always, just in case I need to do something else, and then I can fix it also. But anyway, this one is in a small package, so it's easier to keep it in the bag. Alright guys, this is the final look, so let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I'm gonna leave for the office and I will see you guys soon.